बैक टू द चैनल फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आप सभी का वंस अगेन हेयर। ऑल इंडिया बैंक रिटायरीज फेडरेशन की तरफ से काफ़ी पॉजिटिव बस आ रहे हैं इस बार। जो ऑपरेशन के हैं उसी को कंटिन्यू करने की कोशिश करेंगे। 18 अगस्त 2024 की अपडेट है। मीटिंग ऑफ नेगोशिएटिंग कमेटी विद यूनाइटेड फार्मर बैंक यूनियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट्स ऑन 26 August 24. So we find that IBA has convened the joint meeting of negotiating committee and United Farmer Bank Union constituents on 26 August 24 to carry forward discussions on the residual issues. So as you are aware, residual issues include some important pending issues of retirees like ex gratia to the pensioners from the private sector bank, benefit of 100% DR in computing ex gratia, entitlement to those who retired prior to 1st November 2002, review of ex gratia amount due in April 24, and the merger of dearness relief at 8088 indices with changes in base year of CPI to 2016 as done under 12th PPS to all pensioners who retired up to 31st October 2022, and the subsidy on group medical insurance scheme to be decided at industry level, and most important one is updation of pension, जो कि सबसे important है friends. So we hope that the above pending issues of retirees will be pursued by United Farmer Bank Union and they will be achieved in meeting of 26th August 24. So we wish to invite your kind attention on some crucial points on the following points. First, ex gratia in private sector banks. Second is a review of the ex gratia amount, जो कि बहुत important है. It was calculated on the basis of pension amount as of 31st October 2022. So since then almost 2 years have passed, and during this period dearness relief for pensioners have also been revised 4 times as under. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं. So ex gratia amount for pensioners is fixed one and not linked with the variable DR. However, there is provision of annual review. First review as per the provision of settlement should have been done in February 24. However, it was deferred by IBA as profit figures of banks were not available. So we now find that all banks have since declared financial results for 23-24. So banks in India have shown historical record profit of 3.10 lakh crores 23-24. So in this background, it is earnest request to you that ex gratia amount for pensioners, family pensioners may be revised upward, taking into consideration increase in DA by 190 slabs. So those retired before November 2002, which are almost 1.80 lakh, may be given benefits of 100% DR in the review. Then updation of pension. So this is the most important residual issue for retirees and it is a request that it may be resolved on the urgent basis. So friends, हम hope करते हैं that the issues of retirees will be resolved on 26th of August. So in this context, it may be mentioned that signals, feedbacks which are coming from government, DFS on pending retiree issues including updation are highly positive and likely to be approved if specific proposals are to be submitted to DFS. So बहुत ही पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट्स यहाँ पे हमें देखने को मिल रहे हैं फ्रेंड्स. तो हम बहुत होपफुल हैं दैट यहाँ पे जो अपडेशन है वो यहाँ पे कहीं ना कहीं सेटल्ड हो जाए एट अ गुड पे रेट्स.